Oh my God. You can almost see the road now. There's another foot of snow coming tomorrow, but all the roads around town are dry, and this is it. This is my chance if I want to do it. This is the first ride of the season. First ride on my brand new bike. I'm gonna be trying out a new system today. Hopefully it works. Never done it before, never used that mic. This is a complete test day, so hopefully the sound is somewhat usable, but let's go find out, shall we?
We've had this thing here for a month now.
Finally get to ride it.
He was free of ice all the way.
Yeah, I noticed that when I came in. Oh, it smells so new. I don't even have the exhaust all set up on this thing yet. Still have to wait for that exhaust to cure. Gotta remember how to use all my gear, my helmet. Okay, so we're gonna start in throttle mode B, because I'm used to riding the 300. And let's see how that is. Oh, look at all the snow out here still. I just gotta.
Not happy at all.
Was that English? So I am used to just flying through the gears to move anywhere. Oh, you still got to be careful in a lot of spots here. Oh God. I guess my dad's bike isn't running quite right. Yeah, he's already shaking his head. It feels a lot like my 300, like a surprising amount like it.
I'm missing a cylinder.
Not running well?
You know, it was running fine. I went and pulled the plugs just to have a look at them.
And now it's
It's really unhappy.
missing one cylinder. Which cylinder is cold? Which pipe is cold? That one is. Yeah, shouldn't be able to touch it like that. Need a new plug maybe? So my dad has to turn back. Bike isn't running right. But we get to keep going. It's a nice day, but it's not really all that warm out. And a lot of the corners still have gravel and stuff on them, so we're not gonna ride super hard today. Especially intersections are still, they still got a lot of debris and stuff on them, because it's supposed to snow another foot tomorrow. But until then, we got to go ride. This is the funnest place on earth right here. Frickin' pothole city. Okay, we're gonna hit the open road here, so let's see what we can do. Ah! That's so much different than my 300, and that's only throttle mode B. Oh man, I can't wait to see what A is like. Oh my god, I'm not used to that kind of torque. Oh, it is so cold out. My hands are like, it is not that much above zero, and every time I stop at a stop sign or something like that, the whole lens just fogs right up. Like the whole inside of my face mask just fogs right up. So I don't want to go too far today, but I did want to go for a little rip before a whole bunch more snow came. That was only 4th gear. Oh, on the leanest throttle setting. Okay, let's see if we can feel a difference here. Let's go right up to A. Oh, I can already feel it. Oh, baby. That was probably the fastest I ever got my 300 going downhill with the tailwind. That was probably about as fast as I could ever get it going. Okay, right from 1st gear. I can go 40 kilometers an hour in 1st gear. How fast can you go in 1st? Faster than my 300 in 1st, probably. Ah, it's scary! Oh my god! That has got some power. Head on back to the house now. Oh, my goggles are already fogged up. Oh, I'm not used to the not used to the throttle yet. Let's put it on something a little less aggressive. Go standard. I haven't tried that out yet. Oh, that was fun. 17 kilometers I put on today. I didn't really want to take it all too far out of town. I just wanted to go for a short little ride and at least get a feel from the bike. And I gotta say, it feels a lot like my 300 from just jumping on from having my 300 last year and just jumping on this thing. They feel like the same bike almost, like just sitting on it, the ride position. And it's a naked bike, like a Street Fighter bike, so they're all gonna kind of have that same feeling, but I feel right at home on it. It feels like all I did was stick a bigger motor in the 300 and I'm just out riding again. So obviously there's too much debris and water and salt, all sorts of other stuff on the road, so I can't really get into the corners, and I'm not going to do a full review on the bike, but man, I sure am excited to get out and start riding around a little bit, even though there's another foot of snow coming in the forecast. One thing I noticed right away about this motor, and it's the same with all Yamaha motors, whether it's on their bikes or like especially on the sled. This is a triple. The biggest thing I notice is that it delivers torque at all ranges. Like you could be in 3rd gear or 4th gear damn near from a takeoff and it's still got plenty of torque, and I really like that about the triples. Well, this is my first time riding it. Look at how much snow there is and ice on the river still. Holy crap. So this being my first time riding it, I'm still getting used to the throttle and the clutch timing, especially if I keep frickin' playing with the throttle settings. It's gonna take me a little bit to learn. But well, once I get it down, it'll be good. I'll probably just leave the throttle on performance A mode because that's how I roll. That's how I live, baby. I got a whole bunch of parts ordered for it. I have the headlight delete kits where you take off these full extensions and just put little LEDs on. Same with the back. I got the delete kits for the rear taillights, because the rear taillights just look just like the front ones there. And I also have the fender delete coming, and I'm probably going to get a rad cover and a couple other things. Just to spruce up the bike, you know, make it my own. Do some color matching, stuff like that. Too bad my dad couldn't come along for the ride. His bike is acting up just a little bit, so he had to turn around and come back. One little path. Almost wipe it right there. Figure it out.
That was a lot of fun. I can't wait to do a little more. As for the M8, it officially became a place to hang up your clothes and to store parts and stuff on. That's about all I got for this video. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see everybody in the next one.